Have you ever wondered how Netflix recommends movies, how YouTube suggests videos, or how AI can recognize a cat in a photo? Behind many of these machine learning systems is a powerful Python library called NumPy. In this video, you'll learn what NumPy is, what it can do, and why it's one of the first libraries every machine learning beginner should learn. NumPy stands for Numerical Python. Think of it as a super fast calculator for Python. It helps us work with numbers, arrays, matrices, and mathematical operations efficiently. In fact, many machine learning libraries such as Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch depend on NumPy behind the scenes. So let's see what NumPy can do. First, NumPy can store data as arrays. Machine learning models work with numbers, so data must be stored efficiently. While Python lists can store data, NumPy arrays are faster and use memory more effectively. That's why they're widely used in AI and machine learning. Second, NumPy performs calculations very quickly. Imagine you have the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you want to add 10 to every value. In regular Python, you might need a loop. With NumPy, one operation updates every element instantly. This becomes extremely powerful when working with thousands or millions of values. Third, NumPy handles matrix operations. A matrix is simply a table of numbers arranged in rows and columns. Machine learning algorithms perform countless matrix calculations during training. NumPy makes operations such as addition, multiplication, and transformation easy and efficient. Fourth, NumPy provides statistical functions. When analyzing data, we often need to find the average, maximum value, minimum value, or standard deviation. NumPy includes built-in functions for all of these calculations, helping us understand data before building a model. Fifth, NumPy can generate random data. Random numbers are useful for testing programs, creating sample datasets, and running machine learning experiments. With a single command, NumPy can generate random values for you. Sixth, NumPy can reshape data. Many machine learning models expect data in a specific format. For example, 6 numbers arranged in one row can be reshaped into 2 rows and 3 columns without changing the actual values. Seventh, NumPy supports linear algebra. Machine learning relies heavily on mathematical concepts such as matrices and vectors. NumPy provides powerful tools for performing these calculations, allowing developers to focus on solving problems instead of complex math. Eighth, NumPy helps with feature scaling. Sometimes different features have very different value ranges. For example, one feature might range from 1 to 10, while another ranges from thousands to millions. NumPy helps normalize and standardize data so that machine learning models can learn more effectively. Now let's see where NumPy is used in a typical machine learning workflow. It is used to load data, clean data, analyze information, pre-process features, train models, and evaluate results. From start to finish, NumPy plays an important role. Here are a few important NumPy functions every beginner should know: np.array, np.zeros, np.ones, np.arrange, np.mean, np.std, np.reshape, np.random.rand, np.max, and np.mean. Practice these functions regularly, and you'll quickly become comfortable with NumPy. To summarize, NumPy is the foundation of machine learning in Python. It stores data, performs calculations, handles matrices, provides statistics, generates random values, reshapes data, supports linear algebra, and helps prepare data for models. If you're starting your machine learning journey, learn NumPy first. Then move on to Pandas, Matplotlib, and finally machine learning libraries like Scikit-learn. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.